viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write action words or action verbs starting from alphabets A to Z in English. First is alphabet A. The action word starting from alphabet A is ACT, act. Next is alphabet B. The word starting from alphabet B is BAKE, bake. Next is alphabet C. The action word starting from letter C is CALL, call. Next is alphabet D. The word is DANCE, dance. Next is alphabet E. The action word starting from letter E is EAT, eat. Next is alphabet F. The word is FIX, fix. Next is alphabet Z. The word is GO, go. Next is alphabet H. The word is HELP, help. Next is alphabet I. The action verb starting with letter I is INVENT, invent. Next is alphabet J. The word is JUMP, jump. Next is alphabet K. The word is KEEP, keep. Next is alphabet L. The action word starting from letter L is LAUGH, laugh. Next is alphabet M. The word is MOVE, move. Next is alphabet N. The word starting with letter N is NOTICE, notice. Next is alphabet O. The word is OPEN, open. Next is alphabet P. The action word is PAINT, paint. Next is alphabet Q. The word is QUIT, quit. Next is alphabet R. The word starting with alphabet R is RUN, run. Next is alphabet S. The word is SING, sing. Next is alphabet T. The action word starting with T is TALK, talk. Next is alphabet U. The word is UNDERSTAND, understand. Next is alphabet V. The action verb starting with letter V is VISIT, visit. Next is alphabet W. The word is WALK, walk. Next is alphabet X. The word is XEROX, xerox. Next is alphabet Y. The action word starting from alphabet Y is YELL, yell. Last one, alphabet Z. The action word or action verb starting with alphabet Z is ZIP, zip.